Are you struggling to tackle narrow gutters with overhanging roof tiles, like this, where you may have a lot of dirt stuck in the back there? Well, our new approach to one of our classic end tools is this. It's the Elite Half Moon Crevice tool. And you'll notice if you look at it that it has this scalloped half moon shape end, so that when you turn it over and you put it in here and you run it along the bottom of the tiles, that shape provides a very large suction area, so that all that dirt and debris underneath the tile that's clinging there, that can all be shifted in such a tight space. Now, this Elite tool is made of a lightweight plastic and aluminium, and it's compatible with our skyVac Elite suction poles. We also have a half moon crevice tool that's suitable for use alongside the non-Elite poles. So have a look at our website to order either one of these very handy tools.